education. At the West Africa Broadcast and Media Academy, we have a solemn commitment never to become comfortable with yesterday's success. Excellence is not a destination, it is a continuous journey. Every quarter must be better than the last one, and every innovation must prepare our students for the future, not the past. That commitment was evident throughout our Q2 program. For the first time, we introduced a lecture series known as the Fine Art of Communication in Leadership, a masterclass delivered by an internationally respected communication scholar, Nwosu Ndem Oji, PhD. I hope you enjoyed that lecture. His lecture reminded us that leadership is not measured by the loudness of a voice, but by the clarity of a vision and the ability to communicate that vision effectively. A legend once said, if you talk to a man in a language he understands, that goes to his head. If you talk to him in his language, that goes to his heart. End quote. That is the essence of communication. It is not simply speaking, it is connecting, it is influencing, it is transforming lives. Another bold innovation was the introduction of project presentation and defense. Learning at WABMA is no longer confined to the classroom. Our participants defended their projects before colleagues, before invited guests, and audiences watching from different parts of the world. That is exactly how professionals are prepared, not by memorizing theories, but by demonstrating competence. As Nwosu Ndem Oji wisely observed, quote, the single biggest problem in communication is the illusion that it has taken place, end quote. Those words challenge every journalist, broadcaster, public relations practitioner, content creator, and leader. Communication is not complete because you have spoken. It is complete only when your message is understood, trusted, and acted upon. To our graduating participants, today is your commencement, not your conclusion. The certificate you receive today is not a trophy to decorate your office wall. It is a license to do the following and make a difference. 1, let your communities hear the quality of your training. 2, let your organizations experience your professionalism. 3, let your work become the loudest testimony of what WABMA stands for. I sincerely appreciate our facilitators, guest lecturers, partners, and the hard-working WABMA team. Your dedication continues to strengthen our reputation as a leading institution for media